Disclaimer: the content in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only.
Get on the fucking ramp!
LA City 911, operator 376. CHP with a transfer for a hit and run. Go ahead, sir.
Oh yeah, hi. So I just was involved in a hit and run crash. It's I think I got the correct plates for it, but it was
Does anyone need a paramedic?
no, everyone's fine. I parked on the side. I moved the car was able to still move to the side, so it's all good. I'm not going to obstruct traffic or anything like that.
Is there any city property involved? Any street signs, light poles, fire hydrants?
No, but the car that hit me was from the water and power, so maybe yes.
The car that hit you works with a DWP truck?
Yes.
Okay, how could you tell? Did it have like the city emblem, or how did you know it was a city truck?
It had water and power. It had a California exempt plates. I also have the plate number, but it just said water and power on the side.
Okay,
Yeah.
and so they didn't stop?
No, they didn't stop. They just left.
Where did the accident happen, sir?
At the corner, well, not on the corner, but just on the closest cross streets would be Laurel Canyon Boulevard and Osborne Street.
Did you see who was driving that car? Was it a man or a woman?
It was a male.
White, black, Hispanic, or Asian?
He looked Hispanic.
LA City 911, operator 498.
Hi, good evening. I'm calling to report. There was a white gentleman driving a fire department car vehicle. It was DWP. It was a DWP, and he just took the red light. I don't know if it was stolen because the guy was shirtless, and he went in the middle of traffic, and he was heading north down San Fernando Road.
You saw this at San Fernando Road and what cross street?
Yes.
Paxton?
And San Fernando Road, yes. And he was.
And what time did this happen?
Just right now.
Okay. And what color? It was a pickup truck, or what kind of DWP car?
It was a white DWP.
Is that a pickup truck, or what kind of car was it?
Looks like an SUV.
An SUV?
Yes.
Okay. Were you able to see the license plate of the SUV of the DWP car?
No, because he almost went. Had the green light, and he almost went right into us.
Okay. Hold on, just one moment, please. Hold on.
LA City 911, operator 593.
Hi, they just crashed a guy with the water and power truck, crashed into my mother-in-law's house, and he hit my mother-in-law, my boyfriend.
Does anybody need an ambulance?
Yeah, well, I don't think they need an ambulance.
Okay, so a DWP truck hit your house and hit your mother?
Yes, he was a guy with tattoos, and I guess he was drunk or something.
Is he still there?
No, he left.
And the truck said LADWP on it?
Yes.
What's your address?
It's Laurel Canyon Boulevard.
Okay, your name? Is your number?
Yes.
Were you able to get the license plate number on the truck?
No.
What color was it?
What color was
Was
it?
it a white DWP truck?
Yes.
Okay, we'll send the police out there.
Thank you.
This one. Stop. Good. Pull over. Sounds good. Good. Alright, we're going for pursuit, bro. Yeah.
Exactly. What's the LAPD area?
Is it start now? Yeah.
636, there's no VT, define beyond.
636, we're in pursuit of the ADW truck. going in the DWP incident. Eastbound went from Amway. Requesting activation. Supervisor.
Any rally traffic enemy to connect 810 Laurel Canyon Boulevard for a key injury incident 3627.
696, how you do injury?
Correction, okay.
Good back, just right now. 6936, what's the ETA on the back of your ship, Supervisor? Hold. Go. 16X36, we go eastbound transfer from west.
Excellent, having the domestic.
6X Boulevard.
We're in the PA, dude. 16X36, we'll be going in pursuit of the EDW suspect vehicle. We'll be going eastbound Tuxford from Cayuga, approaching San Fernando.
All frequency standby, 16X36 is in pursuit of the vehicle suspect. He's on to Surfing Cayuga, approaching San Fernando.
Slow down. 16X36 southbound 5 Freeway, approaching Penrose.
Hold on, turn around. You turn around, he's going to be facing your way. After you come out that ramp, he's facing your way. Coming down the ramp, towards the office. This is the helicopter.
I'm alright.
Off the freeway, go down to, it's going to take you over the 5 freeway. You're going to have to U-turn, get back on the other way. Officers coming off that off-ramp, your next right. Your next right, he's went to this parking lot. Next right, follow it up. I have the vehicle. Hold on, you turn around. You turn around, he's going to be facing your way. Officers coming up that ramp, he's facing your way. He's coming down the ramp towards the office. You turn around, he's going to be facing your way. Officers coming up that ramp, he's facing your way. He's coming down the ramp towards the office.
Hey, rescue team on the side, get that dude out.
Let's continue to move the vehicle. Let's keep reversing. Attempting to turn the vehicle.
Get that dude out.
Just to continue to move the vehicle, reversing. Suspect is ramming the... He's coming forward, he's ramming the police car. Suspect is ramming the police car. He's southbound on Edenhurst. He's coming forward, he's ramming the police car. Suspect is ramming the police car. He's southbound on Edenhurst. Hold on, he's turn around. He's turn around, he's going to be facing your way. Officers come up that ramp, he's facing your way. He's coming down the ramp towards the officers. Hold on, he's turn around. He's turn around, he's going to be facing your way. Officers come up that ramp, he's facing your way.
Hey, get out the back. Hey, get on the fucking ground. Set fire, that's what needs help, set fire. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Hold on, he's turn around. He's turn around, he's going to be facing your way. Officers come up that ramp, he's facing your way. Coming down the ramp towards the officers. This is the helicopter.
I'm alright. Hey, get out the car. Hold. Hey, hands up.
Facing your way. He's coming down the ramp.
San Juan 20 at that scene. I'm going to be Incident Commander. Suspect is armed with a screwdriver at this point. Fine. Guys! Stop! We have one person giving commands on this side. One person giving commands. Yeah, I'm telling them to be quiet. Tell him we don't want to hurt him. We don't want to hurt him. We just want to get out. Okay, that's close enough. We got enough time. We got enough time.
I'm just your locations in Edenhurst. They're going to be on Edenhurst.
Grab some less lethal. Just grab some less lethal. Do you have any there? Taser? All right. The car's disabled, bro. It's not going anywhere.
Better location is Edenhurst and the Colorado Freeway exit westbound.
Manuel Monarca. He's on parole for ADW.
Hey, no, not with the shots. Hey, if we start up again, you're primary.
A vehicle is
Hey, Butler, if he starts to go, Guzman, you're going to be primary. You're going to be secondary, okay? I need other units to block this side of the parking lot. Hey, bring your car over here. Actually, bring your car over here on this side. Esther, can you move this shop up here? This shop right here if you can.
Stand by. Vehicle is moving forward now.
Hey, you're in reverse. Or disregard. All the way up here. Hold it. Up here. Watch out. Right here. Stop.
Turn the vehicle.
Hey, provide cover for this civilian to get out.
Reversing.
Hey, put some spike strips right here. Back up. One less vehicle now. Reps. Hey, Fraser! Fraser! Give me eye cover! On this side. One shooter, one less vehicle.
Okay, Santiago, get up on the outrun.
Go! Right.
We're gonna get you some medical help, man.
I gotta go.
Alright, just hang up him.
No! Don't use that! Use the cup!
We need to get him on the ground. Let's get him on the ground. Want to get him on the ground?
No! No!
I got one arm.
Señor, esa es su voluntad. Yo sé que esta no es su voluntad.
I got this one. I got this one. I got it right on. You can let go.
Como siempre, mis hermanos, desde el principio y por los siglos de los siglos. Amén.